Hello everybody, it's Zach and I join you in a brand new setting. That's not my painting. Shall we have a look out of the window? So what can we see? We can see some sun umbrella things and people, the sea, that's an edge of a swimming pool, that's a building, and guess what? Guess what that means? It means I'm abroad, I'm away, I'm on holiday. 2 weeks in Italy, my friends. I told you I was serious about finding romance. Well, not that serious. This is technically a family holiday and I am here, but I love Italy. I've been to this place. I think this is the 5th time I've been here, specifically here. This is the town of Lido di Jesolo, or how the locals like to say it, Jesolo, and it's near Venice. I thought I'd give you a bit of a tour of the room, and we're very repetitive people. We like to go to the same place, we have the same room, the same hotel, and we go with the same airline. We only do the same thing. So yes, this is our room, not anybody else's. This is ours. Here's the picture above my head. I originally thought, oh, it's painted by Jim Morrison. It's not. The dictionary that's helping me pick up all the ladies. Maybe not. That is our clothesline that was actually there from the last time we were on holiday here. Told you it was our room, they didn't even get rid of it. And we get the nice view of these sort of apartments, and occasionally there's been, well, normally there's this Chinese man who comes out in a really tight Speedo. So I sit with my drink on the bed, looking out the window like this, enjoying the view. Yeah. I've actually written some of my poetry sitting here on this bed, and you can see, hang on, there's lots of camera angles in this vlog, holiday vlog. That's me there, sitting there, check it out. And I sit here and I can see the sea out here, which that just needs to focus. I can see the sea. Oh, we've got a side part sea view, and I've written my poetry. We've stocked up on all the important things. We've got whiskey, amaretto, and some wine. Beers in the fridge. Dalberg, I think that's German. That is good, yeah. We always stick a note on the window so the maid doesn't open the window. So basically it means, please don't open the window. So there's a useful bit of Italian for you. These shutter things, I've never worked out how to put down with this rope thing. If you pull that, they just sort of go up. I don't know whether you have to manually pull these down, but hey, they just sort of stay up. Here's the wardrobe space full of clothes. Welcome to my cribio. Jacket I bought. This is a cotton jacket I bought to look like my leather jacket because I didn't want to take that away because it's my big brother one and I've got sentimental value and I daren't risk losing it. This is a nice Italian blazer I bought before I came out. It's Cavani and yeah, it's got a trimmed edge. Look good in that. This is just a hoodie, shirt. All my nice colours that I like of dirge grey and blue. Super dry. Blue, the doors, da-da-da-dee-lee, black and white ringer, and there you go. Our cases we clearly bring a lot because we get marked as a heavy load. Heavy warning signs, mate, heavy handling, ooh, should have that on my underwear, ooh. Welcome to the bathroom. I really like these tiles. They've got like this water splash effect, so you can make a massive wet mess in here, and fear not if the floor is wet, because it already looks wet. Now we're bath people, we're not really into showers, so we specified that we wanted a bath, and here it is. But last night we came to use it and found this. This is the plug chain. Well, this was the plug. No plug on the end, nowhere to be found. So we had a plugless bath, which we had to plug ourselves with that cloth, and the next day they got us a plug. So there you go, someone's damaged our room. Yeah, so that's really not good. Now up here, this is interesting. This is the escape hatch, well, the entrance hatch, where I let my secret Italian girlfriend in. There's a nice stool while you're doing a stool. This is my new pull-up bar. Just kidding, I'd rip that off the wall. I'm not sure what this cord does. I don't know if it's one of those things for the old folks when they're in trouble. And I'm going to say this a bit quietly, this bit. As you can see there, we have neighbours who are across that partition. And this guy, he blows his nose and it sounds like a trumpet. Here's a spoiler. If you blow your nose and it sounds like nothing's coming out, there's nothing there. You're just not congested, so stop blowing it. If you're into ASMR and this turns you on, you're welcome getting the little clicks. I'll start my ASMR channel real soon. This should be titled YouTube Wannabe is Quiet to avoid offending neighbour who blows nose too loud. Now we did actually have a mosquito in this room when we came in, and that's partially why we have that window. We always request the window to be shut by the maid because we don't want to let mosquitoes in. There was one up there, we came in, and when we went to catch it and get rid of it, it flew away and we've never seen it since. It potentially flew out the door, but I don't know. So last night what we did, we we wiped ourselves down in these as a precaution. Good news is I haven't been bitten.